Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video for Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. I have already made the unboxing and some other videos on my channel. Do consider check them out. Their links are in the description and in the card as well. So today's video will be regarding how we can add the fingerprint and face ID and also the pattern lock or any other lock on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So the method is really simple. You just need to open up your settings and in here scroll down towards the password and security features. Just tap on that and you will find out bunch of options like screen lock, a fingerprint lock and face unlock for that particular device. In order to activate the fingerprint lock and face unlock, you have to have a pattern pin or password available first, then the fingerprint sensor or face ID going to be registered. So I'm going to register my pattern here. We have to wait here for 3 seconds and we are now good to go. We have to set the pattern, any pattern you want. We have to confirm it the second time, and yes, the pattern has been registered. And now it's asking me to add the fingerprint reader on your device. So you can add them from here or you can cancel them, go back and press the fingerprint unlock button as well. It will first ask you about the pattern which you have already done it. I'm going to give it my pattern, and now we have the side mounted fingerprint scanner on here. So you have to register your finger using the side mounted fingerprint sensor that is going to be available. So I'm going to register my thumb here, as you can see. So guys, I have done my fingerprint registration here, and now I'm going to test that out whether this is going to be fast or not. So I am going to unlock my device using my finger, and as you can see, it's really fast. And I'm just tapping on that fingerprint sensor and it unlocked the device really quickly. So guys, the next method is going to be the face unlock. You just need to register your face unlock first and face first, and then you will be unlock your device using your face only. So I'm going to register my face here. It's asking me same pattern which I have already done it. So it's going to add my face here. So as you can see that I am presenting my face in front of the device and in unlocking the device really quickly. So the face ID is also really fast here as well. As far as the fingerprint scanner is concerned, it's also going to be pretty much fast here. So this is going to be really good option to have both of them on the device. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. So there are some amazing content that is going to be coming. Do consider subscribing my channel for that as well. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.